black and white. Anya siguro mag-apply pa for, ano? Abroad. Oy.
Mali siguro ba ilalakad yan.
You look more handsome today. Priscilla. Yeah, Priscilla yan. Napakailino. Priscilla yan naman niya. And this is Junin. The handsomest. Balo ko handsomest yun eh. Junin. Nini. And the lovely boy. Pablito, Boyet, o Suso. Ito, o Boyet. About this, is this Boyet or Kusia Boyet, I think. And this is Patrick Patirik-tirik ako kanita. Patrick Patirik-tirik ako po tambusitan. Kaya nga anak ko pa kanita. When we were small. I kept on teasing you. I said, Patrick Patirik-tirik. I don't know if you still remember that. And then you're very mad at me. Magbusit siya. Okay, that is Steffi. Wow, beautiful Steph. Oh. When we're still sano? Ali, ayaw ben mo na mga lati. How about that? Oh, Steph and what? And they, the son of Lota. Oh, Lota. Kasi nakakalingon. Wani ka no? Is that Patrick?
No, that's
Patrick, ano? You look like Boyet too. Oh, there's a caption here. Pat, what happened to your head? Says Ate Melinda. Aluay ate kahit dang kambal, aluwayan eh. Pero may nakula, sorry teng. Sorry, just put them back.
Western Plaza.
Oh, that is beautiful, Ate Melinda. Hi, Steffi. Is very happy, oh. And Auntie Madame.
Taken at Western Plaza.
Okay. That was taken out Western Philippine Plaza. Tula ng Steffi. Ay, ka-nice nang mag-smile. What a beautiful smile, Steffi. And, galing ng pa-picture, Steffi. Mag-smile ya pala, niya. Ito,
Patrick, yung isang papalatrato kami.
Ante man din, Steph, natin may kabigay mo kaya, Teng.
Garden.
Bigay na bigay. Gusto mo marayo, medyo masanting na po talalapit. Gusto marayo, clear law.
Pero palatik na rin. Nakapit daw mo pa kayo niya.
Doble-doble ito, siya pa, oh. Siya pa.
Wala kang magmagin.
Kaya tanggal lang ninyo. Ito ang gamit.
Yung wala magpadala ka ng mic, sala kang kopya ka rin eh.
Oh, that's step 2. Tepak ko may plastic. Ano ba yung continuous? Kasi dapat continuous. Makin. Pero ngayon sinawa, anak, di nga anak, kailangan lang patugot. That's Patrick and Evelyn. Cousin Evelyn. And these are
Carmel Church.
Rene, Ate Melda, Cousin Melda, Ate Lota, and Ryan eh. Those are married already. Jocelyn, Ate Lea, Auntie Taling. Nino ini? Isasa?
Anak na yata ang kayo.
Nino na riyan? And Auntie, first cousin of Auntie Madingi, Auntie Sel. Celia. Anak. Okay. Ay, what a beautiful step. Oh. Lagunang step. Taken January 1, 1994. Lagunang step. Oh. Kasanting na mag-smile. Kanta masanting ko na mag-smile ngayon. Natalina niya na. Bisan pa retrato mo naman ngayon. Ngayon, lagunang step yan. Oh. O niya pa. Unang ni Stephanie Baltar, December 26, 1993. Ano? Kini kiyata kalupo. Wala niya tayo pakla ko mo yung plastic na. Ito na siguro, sa bagay na siguro picture ka rin.
Siya na po.
Uy, nini.
Anthony.
Anthony, nakabuhat.
Ganito, salita.
Wala nino rin eh. Yang nino din,
Juni
ijuni ng
Poy
poy.
Philip.
Ijuni ng Philip. Are natin no, sigurado ka rin. Picture niya, tinantin niya.
Ay, hindi kinasal